pickup to take a look at here at Unique Specialty Classics. 1968 C10 Custom regular cab short box. Another one going after the patina look to it, with a 350 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Should go ahead and take a look at the front grille, bumper. It's got some natural paint peeling up here, and this is not trying to reproduce the patina look like you see in a lot of truck these days. Real deal right here. And if you want to check it out in a still picture so you can see it from every angle, check out the interior, undersides, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the steel wheel with wheel covers and white wall radials. Nice looking interior as far as the seat. Dash still looking stock. Herringbone red and black combination, cloth and vinyl. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer here. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures so you can see this thing from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Take a look down this driver's side. So you can also see sliding rear window. And yeah, as you look through the pictures, you'll see a few small spots of rust or a little bubbling, but man, overall, how many of these trucks do you see that are just gone above the wheel wells, cab corners? Ones that are a lot newer than this, not near as nice a shape. Cool look to it. You want one you can just get in and drive, have a little fun, take to your local roll-ins, cruise-in, shows. Here you go. Seat belts installed. There's a bench seat, again recovered with the, did I say herringbone before? Actually be houndstooth. Houndstooth pattern. Cloth and vinyl combination, that black and red. Stock looking dash. We got 8-track player. I have not had that working FYI or powered up. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Take a look at the windshield. Looks like that's stayed rather authentic too to that patina look. Top of the dash. Nice sounding. 350 underneath the hood. Has a new Edelbrock carb on it. Noticed looked like new proportioning valve, alternator, some things underneath the hood we're going to check out here just shortly. Let you take a listen to it first. All right, let me pause this a second. Probably take a couple hands just to get this unlatched, pop the hood, and we'll take a peek underneath it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that 350 V8. Like I said, it's like newer proportioning valve, alternator. And as you can see, Edelbrock carb on there. Second order battery. The battery cut off here. Other than that, kind of looks like that authentic original truck. The fuel look carried through underneath the hood. Pretty cool look. 1968 Chevrolet C10 Custom regular cab short box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.